Hi, hello everyone, this is Yuka and thanks for coming back to my channel. Today, I will challenge myself on drawing manga pages in which I come up with a little bit of stories. Now, I have to say I am terrible at coming up with stories, so it's almost impossible for me to create one story by myself from first to the end. So this time around, I just created only 2 pages of a manga page and I paneled creating a story of just make these 2 pieces of manga pages, and I used 2 characters on this page and continuous page. This left page I added 1 character over here, so I will be making 3 different characters in these 2 pages, and I will see if this sketch would really be into like an actual manga page by myself. So let me introduce a little bit what kind of story I put into it. So the first panel is facing 2 girls each other, and below it, focusing on one of them of these 2 girls. It is just right side of the girl talking something and left side of girl facing this, and I wanna express the left side of girl would change her mind by the remarks of this right side girl, and I'd like to describe the changing in the facial expression by these 2 panels. And moving on to the next page, I wanna depict these 2 characters with background, and also wanna depict one other character on the background too, and zooming up to him, and I wanna put some of the feelings of him on this panel, consoling something misunderstanding of these 2 characters. I am a huge fan of comedy, so I wanna put some of the comedy elements using this man character. And this panel is the final. He is kept imagining what's misunderstood. This is the maximum of pages I could create right now, since I am terrible at coming up with stories, but hopefully in the future, maybe continuously making other pieces and other pieces and create one big story by myself, but I couldn't picture myself doing it. So just for today, I wanna just do these 2 pages, and okay, let's just get started. So I have to do paneling first. Okay. Now I am done with paneling. So let's just start drawing. Same as always, I always decide where the character's face goes onto the illustration. Okay, this is like a body structure look like. I'd like to draw a little bit more detail onto the shape of face, putting a nose, even drawing eyes, and deciding that these 2 characteristics on the face and their hairstyles. A lot of them may already realize that I redraw a lot. I erase my illustration a lot during I do manga drawings, since especially when there are two different characters on the same frame, you have to balance really well with those characters. Multiple times I might redraw, and I found out facing a little bit up in this left character might seem a little bit weird, so I'd like to redraw her face to face the right side of character. Okay, it seems like it's been more natural for me, so I'd like to continue drawing. Hi, do you enjoy this video? For just a minute, please let me introduce the hands-on activity named Sakura Sketch Japan, in which I offer. At Sakura Sketch Japan, you will use real manga artist tools and enjoy a manga-style illustration lesson. Even you are a beginner for drawing illustration, don't worry, I am a professional illustrator and I will support you. After the illustration session, we will have a Japanese cooking experience. You will make sushi rolls with ingredients of your choice and hand-wrapping gyoza, enjoying freshly made Japanese home-cooked food. All of those experiences would take place in this Japanese-style room in my house, allowing you to fully immerse in this Japanese culture. I would be so happy if you will make your way to come and visit in this business Sakura Sketch Japan. By the way, I have Instagram account. I will be so happy if you will follow me on Instagram as well. Okay, this is the first frame look like. So from now on, I am thinking of drawing some backgrounds behind them. I feel like you are not necessarily drawing background in this scene for sure, but I personally like drawing backgrounds, drawing buildings, and I'm sure the detailed work would make the piece more engaging, so this is one reason I drew background, but it didn't take such a long time. Okay, I'd like to move on to the next panel. I wanna draw her in a big smile and sparkly eyes. I wonder, should I draw background behind of her, or should I just draw the effect like this? Okay, it was simple. I am good at drawing just one character, but not, two characters at the same time. So probably these other two pieces I will draw really quickly. But this is one of the important part of this page. I have to express the changing in the facial expression of character B to kind of surprising to emotional. So let's get started. Okay, so now I am so satisfied. Isn't that so natural? So from now on, I wanna work with more details of character's face, like eyes and also hands as well. Wanna make the complete version. Okay, this is how the complete version of the first sketch look like. This page I made like this. I hope you like it. So before I will move into the inking process, I'd like to complete the second page.